In this week's Training Minute, we're going to dive into a topic that will define the trajectory of your success for this year. The objective of this minute is to help you shape your resolutions thoughtfully and successfully implement them. The start of a new year offers a precious opportunity to reflect on your professional journey and reinvent yourself. So, how can you formulate powerful and achievable leadership resolutions for 2024? Here are some tips to guide you. Engage in introspection. Take the time to reflect on your journey so far. What have been your successes and challenges as a leader in 2023? Make a list of the current year's projects and evaluate what went well or what went less well for each of them. This reflection will help you identify areas where you can improve and where you can capitalize on your strengths. Set clear objectives. Now that you are aware of the current state of your business thanks to this introspection, consider your priorities for the coming year. Avoid vague resolutions and focus on specific goals. For example, do you want to strengthen your communication skills, develop a stronger team, or achieve concrete results? Establish an action plan. Resolutions without a plan rarely materialize. Create a concrete action plan to achieve your goals. What steps will you need to take? What concrete changes will you need to make to your leadership? Set a deadline for each step of the action plan. Invest in personal development. A leader's credibility increases when they demonstrate competence, whether in communication or problem solving. First, identify the areas in which you should develop new skills. Whether through training, coaching, reading, or mentoring, invest in your personal development. Also, identify areas for improvement in your employees to target training that could enhance their effectiveness and collaboration within the company. Involve your team. Great leaders do not walk alone. Involve your team in the goal-setting process for 2024. Encourage collaboration and create an environment where everyone feels invested in collective success. To do this, you might consider their opinion in important decisions, demonstrate transparency, or organize social activities. Taking leader resolutions for 2024 requires reflection, planning, and commitment. This year is a blank page waiting to be written, and it's up to you to choose the narrative of your success. Don't forget to subscribe to receive weekly advice on leadership, management, and communication. Thank you for being here with us today, and may this year be a year of success and growth for you.
For more information on our training courses, visit our website at Actualisation.com or reach us at 1-877-688-0101. Actualisation, training and consulting since 1970.